Welcome guys to ShedTorque. This is the new bike, new addition to the long list of bikes, 44 years of age. I've had a few. This is the latest one. This is the GSX S1000 2022, and it's only a few days old in terms of me owning it. It's a 2022 model. Now this bike I'm going to do a video on, and it's going to be a longer video, but it's going to be about Completely Motorbikes, and Completely Motorbikes sponsor the British Superbikes. Yeah, basically I bought it off them, and I just want to do a bit of a video on them just to explain who they are, what they do, and I'll be totally honest with you, the customer service has absolutely been fantastic, and I genuinely mean that. I've dealt with a lot of companies with bikes, everything down to conversations, down to the day it was delivered, but I'll talk about that again. It's only done, what has it done? Just over 2,000 miles. Let's have a look. What have we got? 2,501. Went out on it last weekend for a bit of a route round mid Wales. Went across to Aberystwyth via Devil's Bridge, and cut across then up to Corris and back through sort of Dinas Mawddwy in that way. Whoever had it before me, they've made a couple of modifications to it. They've got the R&G bungs on the side. It is absolutely immaculate. Well, it would be with 2,000 miles. I absolutely love this camo effect. I'm not sure whether that's forged carbon or not. I don't think it is. But yeah, we got these grips here, easy grips on the side. Decent as well. They're really comfortable. They work really well, and they're not cheap. But what I was going to say was any little upgrade that's been put onto the bike by the previous owner, you know, it's all the nice stuff. Nothing's been sort of like half measures, if you like. Got the nice ASV adjustable levers on here as well. Those are actually a lot nicer than in the picture. In the picture, I wasn't sure it was these levers, to be fair, but these are really nice. Yeah, what else has he put on? Put on a tail tidy, R&G tail tidy on there. I'm not sure whether that seat cowl cover comes with the bike or whether that's an addition as well. The exhaust is standard, although that will be changed, and hopefully there's a conversation to be had there with Black Widow for a full system, and hopefully they'll agree to that. What else has it had? Oh yeah, I bought these actually. I've put these blade style mirrors on. Now Rizoma do these, and they're about roughly, and I know this is going to sound ludicrous, but they're about £300 for the pair, I think, somewhere around that. Might even be more. I actually bought these off eBay, and I'll pop the link in the video as to where I bought them from, because these were £90 for the pair, and the quality of them is fantastic. Honestly, it really is. Everything lined up tight. Well, I mean, look for yourself. I don't really need to explain, but they're just really, and they're identical as well from what I can see, and as you can see, they look really nice. I prefer them, but obviously they're not everybody's cup of tea. But yeah, it's a stunning bike. There is actually a EvoTech radiator guard on there as well, which you can't. Ah, there we are. There's a better light. EvoTech radiator guard on there as well. Just all adds to the little additions that this guy has put on that had it before me. He can't have had it long. Oh, there's a lowering kit on it as well. A race lowering kit. Got the bobbins on the back there as well. Got some R&G bobbins. Tyres and everything. It's absolutely immaculate. Tyres are a bit worn, a bit squared off. What have I come around this side for to show you now? Oh yeah. See if we can get this. There we go. I think It's a Mizu or a Mizu, or I don't know how you pronounce that. I've seen them before, but it's got a race lowering kit on there, which I'm going to be honest, even though, let's just get this in focus for you. There we are, there's a better shot. We get that? There we go. Yeah, I don't mind it. The bike feels a lot more planted. My feet are flat on the ground when I'm sat on it. And it does look good, and it probably does handle a little bit better as well, but I mean, I'm just not comfortable with it being so low. My feet are really flat on the floor when I'm sat on it. I would like to feel slightly more elevated, but I'm going to leave it on. I'm going to see how we get on with it and go from there. But look, just a quick update. I'm going to do a video on the bike and completely motorbikes, but just to say I'm back. I'm in the middle of editing a video for an exhaust that I fitted a long time ago now, almost last year, which was given to me by Black Widow very kindly. And that was for my mate's Z1000sx Kawasaki full system. I'm in the middle of editing that. I've got another one to edit quickly, which is just about some bits and bobs I've done on other bikes. Anyway, but yeah, I've got a lot of videos to come. And there's just a quick look at the latest bike. So from ShedTorque, we'll see you soon.